In this video, I'm going to give you 3 important things that you can work on your sets and also you can improve your retention. Hi, my name is Cosmina. I'm a certified lash artist and licensed esthetician. In this video, we're going to talk about all retention. Now, retention could be from so many things, and I have a full list of problems that you can find why your retention is not going to last and why clients have problems with the retention. So, number one thing that I found on my own and of course on my clients is how properly do you clean the natural lashes and how properly you set up the eye right before any type of set. Right now, for example, myself, I always clean the natural lashes right before any type of set. Very simple, very easy. You just need a foam cleanser, right? And also some of those spoolies. Use a little pump and go very gentle on the natural lashes. Now, I also do this even if I have a refill. Some people, they like to work with primers, prime the natural lashes and then start the refill. Now, I'm not a fan of primer, and there is another video about this. Why I'm not a big fan of primer is because primer is based on alcohol. So anytime you use primer over and over, your lashes, your natural lashes could become a little bit more weaker. And of course, damage. I don't want to do that. So in this case, I will just better take 5 minutes on my own and make sure that I'm going to clean the lashes very well. So I know the lashes are clean and the eyes are clean and the extensions are clean when you do the refill. And then with some water, just rinse them very well and then just give them a good fan and you are 100% sure that they are clean. Okay, I cannot stress more about this, how important it is to clean your lashes. Now, that's 50% you as a lash artist, but also the other 50% is your client. Do they clean their lashes at home? Do they take care of them? Do they make sure they don't use oil-based products? Do they use a lot of makeup? Do they use eyeliner? Anything comes on your lashes. You have to understand. I always recommend when I do a full set, I always recommend do not use makeup. When you have lash extensions, you don't need to use any type of makeup. Keep your eyes clean for a better retention. And I'm telling you 100% that your retention is going to last longer. And also, there are people, because let's be honest, everybody can experience this, and I'm pretty sure you have those type of problems. People like to pick on their lashes, and most of the time, 90% of the people, they do this on the right side. People that they are righty. People that they are lefty, they pick more lashes on the left side. Now, another thing that could affect the retention, well, this is not like a problem, I will say, but is the growth and also the sleeping side. When you sleep more on one side, your natural lashes are squished. They are more like sandwich, right? They are flat because you squish on them. So in that case, you're losing them quicker than the other eye. Now, that couldn't come from a retention or from a glue or something else. It's just because this is how your natural lashes are growing. So, going back to our first thing when you, for a better retention, how properly you clean your extension, your natural lashes and your sets right before you start any type of set. So that's number one. Now, second, which is extremely important, is stay away from makeup. Like I just explained, stay away from makeup. Oil-based products, do not pick on them, do not rub them, do not touch them. The more you touch them, the quicker they're gonna fall off. Why? Because fingers are the most important on your body, and this is where you're going to have a lot of oil, a lot of dirt. So every time you touch your lashes and every time you squeeze, you play with your lashes of course are gonna fall off because the oil on your fingers. So that's another thing that is very important, to stay away from picking your lashes. Keep them free. Keep your hands away from your lashes, your lash line. Also, the cleansing part is very important. Some people, they just clean them like this. Very clean, very quick, and that's it. They are clean. No, you want to make sure that you go right underneath. And I'm going to do another video all about cleansing and how you clean the extension, the natural lashes right before any set. And now, the third thing that is extremely important is the super bonder. We didn't have this problem product a couple years ago. I remember when I started 4 years ago, I didn't know anything about booster or super bonder. They were on the market a couple years ago too, but they weren't that popular like in those days. And now I'm not just saying that you need this just because you have to have them in your room. It's because I really work with them and I see a huge difference between my sets and on my clients, especially when you work with super bonder. Now, I know your question is, do I have to use both of them in the same time? How about if I only have the super bonder but I don't have the booster? Totally fine. You don't need to have both of them. It will be ideal to have both of them for your better retention and for your set. But if you only have the super bonder, absolutely okay. If you have the speed booster, it will give you that speed on your lashes. But super bonder, like I said, is the one which will cure your glue. Right, so 3 important things that you have to understand and you have to implement those on your lash set. Cleansing part, and then do not touch your lashes, do not play with your lashes, do not use any type of makeup, or even if you do, let's say you're having a wedding or you're going outside or anything, you know, once in a while is absolutely okay. But if you keep doing this and makeup all over and every day, your extension is not going to last longer, because anytime you clean them, of course you're going to lose them quicker. And also booster and super bonder, another thing that it will help you with your retention. Okay guys, I'm going to put a link right below so you can find out about the product, and if you have any questions, just throw them below in the box below. And also you can feel free to follow my Instagram page, where I post a lot of products and also trainings and everything else. Okay, do not go anywhere, because in the corner I'm going to play another video that you will love.